Are you looking for your next adventure? How about a stunning resort community where you can retreat and relax, yet also enjoy nature and a wide variety of outdoor activities? If this sounds good, then Hot Springs Village in Arkansas may be just the perfect place for you.
My name is Brandon Tedder. I'm the owner of Renaissance Homes. We've been building custom homes for over 20 years. And as time has gone by, we've gravitated toward Hot Springs Village. Hot Springs Village is actually a hidden gem here in Arkansas with many golf courses, lakes, mountains, streams. Nearly half of all the new residents for Hot Springs Village come from the state of Texas. Folks are moving here to enjoy golf, pickleball, the outdoors. Cost of living is really reasonable. The village is just a great place.
Renaissance Homes is the go-to home building firm in Hot Springs Village. With small and large floor plans available and full design collaboration options, they provide a one-stop shop for the perfect new home.
We build exclusively now in Hot Springs Village. We have small to large models. We build custom homes. We have entire neighborhoods under construction. Hot Springs Village has got a multitude of offerings as far as lots go. We do lake lots, golf lots, interior wooded, anything as small as 1,400 square feet all the way up to 5,000 plus.
I'm Tammy, and I'm the designer for Renaissance Homes. I get to meet with the customers and help them pick out all the materials for their home and make them feel at ease and comfortable. And I love to see it all come together and see the wow factor in the customer's reaction at the very end. I have the best job.
We do offer a fixed price contract, which puts the customer at ease in terms of their financial responsibility with the build. We do have an interior designer, and she kind of guides those clients through all their selections, keeps them on budget. In addition to that, we have a project manager that'll be assigned to each job. We have a good flow of communication, whether that be with photos and emails and things for folks that live out of state. Some people have relocated here to be able to walk through the house, have that communication with the builder, and know that it's being designed for them and they know where they are on the financial side. We try to design a home that's energy efficient and incorporate that into all the designs, whether they're our floor plans or a custom plan that we're helping them with. Whatever you're looking for, we probably have a model that'll fit for you.
A home build should be fun. That's why Renaissance Homes focuses on full collaboration with the customer so that they can make your dream home a reality.
We meet with the customers in our conference room. The project manager and I go over all their plans in detail, the windows, the doors, and start picking things out there. And then I bring them to our showroom at the office where we pick out brick. On the back of the bricks, we have addresses to help the customers go see the whole end design of a home. And it kind of helps them out get an idea of like what shingles go with the brick and other features of the home, like colors of windows and stuff. I take them around to meet all the vendors, and it just kind of brings our customers at ease with everything.
Everyone at Renaissance Homes has a passion for the artistry of building, from the planning phase all through the final product. And this passion shows in the tons of great customer reviews.
My name is Graham Parham. This is my wife, Jamie. We were living in Dallas for many, many years, and back in 2022, we got together and said, where do we want to live? And so I was born and raised in Memphis, Tennessee, so I spent a lot of time in Arkansas. I knew about Hot Springs Village, and I knew it was very pretty, but it had been 20 years since I've been there, so I told my wife, well, this is the first place we got to go take a look at.
I'd been to Hot Springs before, but I'd never been to Hot Springs Village. And I think the first thing I noticed was all the beautiful trees, and when you drive in, it really feels like you're driving into kind of like a magical kingdom. When we found our lot, it was exactly what we wanted. We met Brandon, and he seemed to grasp very quickly what our vision was, and we started from there.
We knew that up in this area, there was a lot of traditional houses, and they probably all looked the same, which is very much like when we lived in Dallas. They all were very much looking the same. So we wanted to be uniquely different. We wanted to stand out. We wanted people to say, hey, that's the Parham house. And I was a little bit nervous because we have a property ownership that we have to get through like most people have. Homeowners Association. This is a POA, which does very much the same thing. They have to approve all the architectural plans, and then we live in the private community of the Diamante. They also have to approve it. And the whole time I was working with Brandon, I said, do you think you can get this through? And he goes, oh yeah, we can get this through. And sure enough, he got it through. The whole time we were working with the superintendent, his name was Sam, and he took care of us all the way through. And if there was ever a problem that we saw, he'd fix it. He was very, very smart.
Our experience with Brandon was just great. Renaissance Builders was fabulous. They were wonderful working with us. They got our vision right away. Brandon and also Sam, as Graham mentioned, Popham, our project manager. I was always so amazed that if there was a glitch or something we kind of needed to fix, a workaround, between Brandon and Sam, you could see their brains just start working. I mean, problem solving right there. I've enjoyed my time at Hot Springs Village. There's always new adventures every day, and I really love it. That's one of the things that we decided when we were moving from Dallas. I said, we need a new adventure, and so here we are.
One of the things that we want to do, first and foremost, is ensure that our customers that move here and those that live here and relocate with us are completely satisfied with their new home. Typical builder's warranty may be 1 year bumper to bumper, and then from there, different product categories kind of trail off. We try to help our folks past that point. Even if something is kind of in the gray area, we'd rather take care of that and move forward with a happy customer. If someone is looking for a new home to relocate, Arkansas is a fantastic location. If you do come to Hot Springs Village, stop by our office. We'll be happy to show you different types of properties in the village, go over various floor plans, and see how we may be able to help you either now or in the future build a new home.
I did a lot of research, and there's probably only 4, maybe 5 good builders up here, but I don't think any of them hold a candle to Brandon. Brandon takes your vision and brings it to life. His reputation precedes him. Every time I called somebody in Little Rock that was a builder, say, can you build in Hot Springs Village? They'd always say, call Brandon at Renaissance. He's the only one that can do it right.
We really enjoyed working with all of the people from Renaissance. I love the creative process, and when we were building, and every once in a while you think, oh, well, maybe we should change that a little bit or something. They were so good and amenable to any kind of changes or just little workarounds we needed to do. So we were very pleased.
A lot of my friends have come up to play golf with me, and they say,
Yes.
I'm thinking about coming up here and, move to Hot Springs Village. I said, if you need a builder, I got you one.
To learn more about Renaissance Homes, visit their website, renaissancehomesonline.com. Or you can see the segment again on designingspaces.tv.